everyone. So we are going to get our Christmas nails done today. I'm literally running because my cab driver has been waiting for me for 5 minutes. Hi, so these are some decorations I got for my tree the other day. I know it's not a lot, but these are the only things I liked at the store. I'm just going to put this over my tree first and then see कि कितनी space बची है. Then we can buy some new things for my tree. And yeah, I think we should just start with these first. Day just got better because we received some fresh flowers and this cake, my favorite cake by the way. And I'm currently reading The Wedding People, loving it so far. And this right here is what I like to call a day well spent. It's Christmas morning and we are finally going to unbox our book Advent calendar. Hello everyone, I'm Smriti, and if you know me then you know that I love to read, buy and talk about books, and this is my page where I do all those things. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do because I love to buy new books और उतना ही मुझे books को give away करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो I guess if you want to receive new books every month, you should be a loyal subscriber क्योंकि मैं अपने सारे loyal subscribers को बहुत अच्छे से reward करती हूँ. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let me tell you what happened. I did my Advent calendar unboxing continuously for 11 days. For 9 days, I guess 2 days are left, but वो मैंने अभी edit नहीं करे. I'll post it. I'll post them soon. I'll post them today only, okay? So I did बहुत अच्छे से 11 दिन तक, but then exams happened. And then life happened. I mean, I have an exam tomorrow also, and then I have one on my birthday eve. Can you freaking believe it? At this point, I am genuinely just trying to survive, okay? One thing about me is that I cannot focus on anything else when I'm studying, okay? So I was not active on my Instagram, I was not active on my YouTube, but now I have finally started to get a hang of all these things. So now I think I will be more active. I just have 2 more exams left. One is tomorrow, and then the other one is on my birthday eve. That is 3rd January. Okay, so now I think without wasting any time, I'm just going to unbox all the books. You know the rules. You just have to guess the name of the book based on its back. I won't be showing you guys the front, and I will pick how many winners are left. I'm very weak in math. 12, 13, 14. 13 are left. I'm so sorry. Okay, so 13 winners are left. I was actually thinking of including day 10 and day 11 here only, okay? Wait, let me just find the box. Before unboxing day 12, here are the videos for day 10 and day 11. Also, I won't be posting day 9, 10 and 11 on Instagram. ये सिर्फ मेरी YouTube वाली audience के लिए ही है. तो make sure to subscribe me on YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe me on YouTube. And this is the book that we have for day 9. Actually, ये बुक मैं अभी जाकर अभी स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ ये वीडियो ख़त्म करते ही, बिकॉज oh my god, I was so excited for this book and I finally have it in my hands. To day 10 of unboxing my book advent calendar, and let's see the book that we have for today. You all already know the rules. अगर ये वही है जो मैं सोच रही हूँ तो I will freak out. सच में I will freak out. नहीं, ये वो नहीं है, बट ये जो है वो भी बहुत अच्छी है. This is the book that we have for day 10. It's a classic. It's एक तो इस तरीके से खोलना कि मैं फ्रंट कवर ना दिखाऊं, इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. पहले मैं देखूंगी. ओके, सो आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट दिस बुक. मैंने ये बुक नहीं देखी है अभी तक कहीं पर भी. आई गेस बुक स्टोर में देखी होगी बट मुझे याद नहीं है. बट ये सेम ऑथर की एक बुक मैंने पढ़ी है और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई थी. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद डे 12. दिस इज़ द बुक दैट वी हैव फॉर डे 12. लेट्स सी क्या है हमारे पास. आई एम वेरी excited. I miss this feeling of unboxing a new book every single day, you know. I missed it so much. I don't have any idea what this is. Okay, now I do. I do have an idea what this is. It's again from my wish list. So this is the book that we have for day 12. Do let me know your best guesses in the comment section below. Let's see what we have for day 13. It's a bit thick. ज़्यादा नहीं है बट थोड़ी सी है. Oh, you know what? This was in my wish list for my last year's advent calendar, but I didn't get this one last year. So I'm happy that I got it this year. This is the book that we have for day 13. Oh, it's a very thin book. I used to love reading थिक बुक्स यू नो, बट देन लाइफ हैपन और उसके बाद मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है थिक बुक्स पढ़ने का. यू नो व्हाट, जब भी हम कोई थिक बुक पढ़ते हैं ना और जब भी हम उसे फिनिश करने वाले होते हैं तो एकदम से ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये क्यों फिनिश हो रही है. थिक बुक्स की बात ही होती है, जब वो एंड होने वाली होती है ना तो मन ही नहीं करता है उन्हें ख़त्म करने का. आई love the title of this book. मैंने इस बुक के बारे में कभी नहीं सुना है, but if you know me, you know I love sad traumatizing books and this title, oh my god, I love this title. I already know I'm going to love this one. Oh, मैंने नाम ही दिखा दिया था बुक का. Wait. This is the book that we have for day 14. This is the book that we have for day 15. Ting, ting, ting. I love unboxing books. Oh god. I have read one book by this author and I loved it. Loved it. And I finally have this one. It's a poetry. I didn't know that it's a poetry, but it's a poetry. I finally have my second book by this author. I'm so happy. Okay, I don't have any idea what this is, but this is a pirated book, and if you know me, you know I don't like pirated books, so I'm not quite sure how do I feel about this one. मैंने सिर्फ ऐसे पकड़ कर ही बता दिया कि इट्स अ पायरेटेड बुक. एक्चुअली मैंने देख कर ही फील करके बता दिया था कि इट्स अ पायरेटेड बुक, बट आई कैन नॉट कंप्लेन, ओके, बिकॉज ही ऑर्डर्ड ऑल दीज बुक्स ऑनलाइन एंड आई थिंक इवन ही डिडंट नो दैट दीज वुड बी पायरेटेड. So this is the book that we have for day 16. This is the book that we have for day 17. It's a big and a thick book. This book just made my entire advent calendar worth it. This is the book that we have for day 16. You know, I was thinking कि ये बुक तो होनी चाहिए यार, ये बुक तो होनी चाहिए. ये आ क्यों नहीं रही है बुक, ये कहाँ है, ये क्यों नहीं है. But then I saw this. I was so happy. This is the book that we have for day 18. Again, a favorite. नॉट अ फेवरेट, अभी पढ़ी नहीं है, बट आई नो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माई फेवरेट. This is, now we are talking, now we are talking. This is the book that we have for day 18. कभी आपने देखा है किसी को सैड बुक्स मिले और वो इतना ज़्यादा खुश हो? वो मैं ही हूँ, वो जो किसी है. अगर आपने नहीं देखा होगा तो आज देख लो. डे 19, अ वेरी स्मॉल बुक. क्या हो सकता है इसमें? इतनी छोटी मेरी विश लिस्ट में कौन सी बुक थी? I cannot. You know what? I might be the only 1% of people who haven't watched this movie yet, but I was like, I'll read the book first and then only I'll watch the movie, you know? So now that I finally have this book, oh my god, this is the best day of 2025, you know? This day 20. I cannot. Oh my god. अब इस वीडियो को ख़त्म करने के बाद मुझे ऐसा होगा कि मैं इनमें से शुरू कौन सी बुक करूँ यार. मुझे इतनी सारी अपनी पसंद की किताबें मिल गई हैं, मैं शुरू कौन सी करूँ? This is, I thought I accidentally showed you guys the front cover. This is the book that we have for day 20. It's just that every single person on internet was raving about this book. So let's see what all the hype is about. आप इसके बैग से आराम से ही पता लगा लोगे. Day 21 again. Thick book, thick book. Oh, this is going to be a very traumatizing read for me, but I know I'm going to love this one. This is the book that we have got for day 21. This is the book that we have for day 22. I have seen this one. I know about this one. I know. I've seen it on Bookstagram and I have also seen it at a bookstore once. So this is the book that we have for day 22. Let me know your best guesses in the comment section. I love these kind of covers, you know. ऐसे टाइप के covers मुझे बहुत पसंद आते हैं. This is the book that we have for day 23. This year I read around 60 to 65 books and उनमें से 30 or 40 were thrillers only. So now we have another thriller. Last book of my advent calendar. I'm so happy and sad at the same time because I don't want this to end ever. I'm loving this. It's a hardcover. It's a hardcover. And it's not from my wish list, but I'm loving the illustrations. And I'm loving the title even more. Like, it's pink and it's pretty. And oh my god, the pages look so good. Let me just show you this. It's so good. Oh my god, I'm so happy with the last book. I'm so glad that he kept this one at the last because you know you saved the best for the last. But wait, we have actually got one book left. It says bonus. He does this every single year, you know. वो कभी भी 24 books pack नहीं करते हैं. He gives me 25 books every year. तो ये surprise नहीं था मेरे लिए. मुझे पता था ऐसा ही होगा. This is the book that we have got for day 25. I think that's it for today. Do let me know in the comment section your best guesses and I will be picking all the winners from the comment section only. Thank you so much for being so patient with me. And to all the winners, I will be dispatching all of your books day after tomorrow. So please be a little patient with me. So yeah, that's it for today. This was fun. This was really fun. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a separate video showing you guys all the books of the advent calendar. मैंने इनमें books दिखाई तो है पर सिर्फ back cover से. So if you want me to show you guys all the books that I got for Christmas, all the books that I got in December, just do let me in the comment section, okay? So that's it for today. I wish you guys a very happy Christmas and happy New Year. Bye. Holding hands.